Hello everyone, welcome to Press On Nails by V. I'm Vanessa, and today I'm going to walk you through how I created pink concert themed nails for a client. This client had an idea of having a silver accent nail, as well as having some sparkle included. She also sent me this picture of this specific pink, so I really liked how this goes into a gradient and a light pink, so I've included that as well. From the plate, she really liked this image, as well as the music notes over to the left. So I use regular nail polish in my design, so I'm going ahead and just putting a first coat of all the colors, putting a white base down for the gradient so that it's brighter and it pops. And I'm creating the gradient, so I'm putting all three colors down on a sponge and then dabbing that onto the nail. I think I did about 3 coats. This is how the gradients turned out with the accent nail. So now I'm going ahead and add some sparkle to the accent nail so that it pops. Because I use regular nail polish, I have to let it dry overnight for 24 hours before I go ahead and put the top coat on with gel. So here I'm just top coating all the nails and curing. I had a nail art pen, so I pulled that out and just kind of try to copy the pink signature that she does. Then I'm going ahead and adding some stars from stamping plate. So my idea for these two nails is to have these music notes kind of flow across when they're together, which I thought turned out really nice. I'm adding a little guitar to match that rock star image so that it kind of flows nicely together. And these are how the nails turned out. So I'm going to let these dry overnight, and then I'm going to top coat and cure. And here's the final set. Looks really nice. Love the sparkle and just how the sun hits it. The colors look good. The accent nail, the stamping. Looks really, really nice. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. That was really fun to do. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos of how I make some press-on nail sets for clients. Because this was fun and I think they turned out really well. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in my next video.